To change your Gmail ID name is pretty simple. Just navigate to your Gmail app and click on it. Then on this interface, proceed to the top right corner where you see your profile icon and tap on it. A pop-up menu will appear with a list of options. Select the one that you want to change the ID name. In this case, I'm going to select the Mubarick MD. So I'll continue to click on manage your Google account. Then with this selected, you'll be redirected to an interface like this. Our focus is to change the name Mubarick MD. So in order for us to do it, we just have to select the tab personal info, and with this selected, when you scroll down a bit, you could see where name is. So make sure to click on name. Then on this interface, make sure to exercise a bit of patience. Then after that, you can then continue to click on name here. So this will give us the flexibility to change our name on Google account. So here we can change our first name, which is Mubarick, and then the surname, which is Mohammed. So once you are satisfied with the changing, you can then proceed to tap on save. That's it. You have successfully changed your Google account name. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.